Ugh, another perfect life.
Emily, everything all right over there?
Oh, Paul. Yeah, just scrolling. Everyone's doing amazing things, you know?
I see that look. The social media comparison look.
Exactly. It's like everyone else is on this super fast train, and I'm still trying to find the station.
Feeling a bit left behind, like you're slow compared to their highlight reels.
Totally. All I see are their perfect moments, and I'm just here with my messy behind the scenes.
It's easy to fall into that trap, isn't it? Focusing on what you don't have.
Exactly. It makes me question everything. Am I not working hard enough? Am I just slow?
That's a powerful feeling, Emily. It can really get to you.
It really does. I just feel so inadequate sometimes. Like I'm stuck while everyone else is moving forward.
Well, that's exactly why we're here today, to talk about those real feelings and challenges.
Real talk English, right? Where we don't just pretend everything is perfect.
Precisely. We're going to dive into these real-life struggles, the ones we rarely post online.
And learn English along the way, I guess?
Of course, we'll find the right words to navigate these very human experiences.
So, how do we even begin to tackle this feeling of being left behind?
We start by acknowledging it, just like you're doing now. Then, we explore the why. So, Emily, what exactly is making you feel inadequate right now?
It's just seeing everyone's perfect lives online. I feel so far behind.
Ah, the classic highlight reel effect.
A highlight reel? What do you even mean by that, Paul?
It's like a movie trailer for someone's life. Only the best bits, the most exciting parts.
Yeah, that's exactly what I see. All the wins, none of the struggles.
And what about the behind the scenes? Do you ever think about that?
Behind the scenes? Like the messy parts?
Exactly. The hours of work, the failures, the doubts, the ordinary days.
I guess I don't really. I just see the finished product.
So, when you see those perfect posts, do you ever consider the effort or struggles behind them?
Not usually. I just compare my behind the scenes to their highlight reel.
And that's where the feeling of inadequacy often comes from, right? That unfair comparison.
It makes so much sense. I'm judging my bloopers against their award-winning scenes.
Precisely. And understanding this distinction is crucial, even in how we approach language learning.
How so?
We often only share our highlight reel moments in English, too. But the real learning happens behind the scenes. Life isn't a marathon with a single finish line everyone has to cross at the same time, Emily.
It's not? That's a new thought.
No, it's a journey, and each person has their own unique pace.
Their own pace. I like that idea.
Think about runners. Some sprint, some pace themselves.
Right. Different strategies.
Exactly. But they're all aiming for their own completion.
Not necessarily to beat everyone else.
Precisely. Their goal is personal.
So my behind the scenes isn't a failure, it's just my pace.
It's your unique journey with its own rhythm.
That feels really freeing.
It should. Why compare your pacing to someone else's sprint?
Because I feel slow if I don't keep up.
But there's no single up to keep up with.
I've been so focused on a universal timeline.
A common trap, especially with social media.
It really highlights those who seem to be sprinting ahead.
And remember the highlight reel versus behind the scenes?
Oh, right. Their sprint might have had months of training.
Or they're running a different race entirely.
That applies to language learning too, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Some people pick up vocabulary instantly.
Well, I'm still trying to remember basic verbs.
and that's fine. Your journey isn't less valid.
So it's about my personal finish line, not theirs.
Exactly. Enjoying your process, your progress.
Huge shift.
Huge shift. And it's an important one.
It really feels like it.
Sometimes a quiet, steady pace isn't a sign of being slow at all.
Oh? What is it then?
Cursor. It's often a sign of wisdom, Emily.
Wisdom. How so?
It allows you to really see things, to appreciate the small moments.
The moments I usually rush past?
Exactly. You build stronger foundations
Foundations for what?
for deeper understanding, for better quality work.
Can you give an example?
Think about a craftsman, someone making furniture.
Okay.
Do they rush through sanding or carefully choose each piece of wood?
No, they take their time. For quality.
Precisely. That deliberate pace isn't slow, it's meticulous.
So it leads to a better end product.
Much better. Or think about learning a new skill.
Like English?
Exactly. If you rush through grammar, what happens?
I forget it instantly. Or make mistakes.
Been there, done that. But if you take your time,
I really absorb it. It sticks.
you build a solid foundation. You truly understand it.
So my slow isn't a weakness.
It could be your superpower for deeper learning.
That's a huge reframe.
Those rushing past might miss crucial details
Like foundational grammar rules?
or cultural nuances in a conversation.
The things that make English truly click.
The wisdom of a steady pace. The wisdom of a steady pace.
Wisdom. I never considered it that way.
It's seeing what others miss in their rush, Emily.
So my slowness isn't a flaw?
Not at all. Your value isn't something you race to achieve.
But I always feel like I'm chasing something.
It's already there, inherent in who you are.
Clearly inherent?
Yes, not tied to external achievements or comparisons.
So not about being first or best.
Exactly. You don't need to chase it.
I've been chasing it my whole life.
You just need to recognize it.
Recognize my own value?
Precisely. Like a tree simply is, providing beauty.
That's powerful.
Your worth isn't lessened by others' highlight reels.
So comparison is just noise.
It distracts from your quiet strength.
And my unique rhythm.
Exactly. Think of your English learning.
Not how fast I learn a grammar point.
How deeply you understand and use it.
Building strong foundations.
That deep understanding is your inherent value as a learner.
So I already have it. I just need to see it.
Exactly. It's not a finish line you're racing towards.
It's a truth I carry.
And that makes your journey valuable, regardless of pace. And that makes your journey valuable, regardless of pace.
It really does feel valuable suddenly.
Good. The most liberating thing you can do
What is it?
is stop looking sideways.
Stop looking sideways at others?
Exactly. Congratulate them on their journey.
Wish them well.
Then, most importantly, return to your own path.
My own path. I like that.
Focus on becoming the best version of yourself.
Not a copy.
Precisely. It's about your growth.
So, how do I actually do that?
We have great English phrases for it.
Oh?
One is to stay in your lane.
Stay in your lane. Like driving?
Metaphorically, yes. Focus on your own progress.
Not in theirs.
Exactly. Or run your own race.
Run your own race. That connects to our earlier talk.
It does. It reinforces that personal journey.
So, if I see someone sprinting ahead,
You acknowledge it, wish them well, then run your own race.
and stay in my lane.
You've got it. It's powerful, isn't it?
It feels incredibly powerful and peaceful.
It brings a lot of peace.
I've been running others' races.
A common trap. But now you have the words to reframe it.
Stay in my lane. Run my own race.
Exactly. Your unique, valuable journey.
You know, I think I've been so busy comparing myself that I haven't even noticed what I do have.
That's a powerful realization, Emily.
It's like comparison has been stealing my peace.
How so?
It's been making me miss out on the good things right in front of me.
Missing out on what specifically?
Just little joys, my own progress, the quiet moments.
The behind the scenes of your own life, perhaps?
Exactly! I was so focused on others' highlight reels.
And what was the emotional cost of that?
So much anxiety and feeling constantly inadequate.
It drains your energy.
Absolutely. It's exhausting trying to keep up with an imagined standard.
That constant internal pressure.
It feels like a heavy weight I didn't even realize I was carrying.
And now?
Now it feels lighter, like I can finally breathe.
That's the freedom of letting go of comparison.
It truly is. I just wish I'd seen it sooner.
But seeing it now is what matters.
And this helps with English too, right?
Absolutely. It frees you to enjoy your learning journey.
Instead of worrying if I'm good enough.
Precisely. Your unique pace, your unique progress.
So much peace.
Exactly. That energy you spent comparing
It was wasted.
could be channeled into something else.
Like what?
Nurturing your unique talents
My unique talents. What even are those?
and pursuing your genuine passions.
Passions. I feel like I lost touch with those.
Your journey is about becoming the best version of yourself.
Not someone else's highlight reel.
Precisely. Not their curated moments.
So, how do I find my unique talents?
We start by exploring what truly excites you.
What makes me me?
What brings you joy, even in your behind the scenes?
That's a good question.
It's about recognizing your strengths.
My strengths. I always focus on my weaknesses,
And what if those weaknesses are actually unique qualities?
like my slowness being wisdom.
Exactly. It's reframing your perspective,
So, I need to look inward, not outward.
much like mastering English.
How so?
You focus on your learning style, your progress,
Not how fast someone else learns verbs.
building your own strong foundation.
My own unique language journey. It's a lot to take in, Paul. But I feel lighter.
That's wonderful to hear, Emily. It truly is.
I still have my worries, you know? They don't just vanish overnight.
Of course not. It's a process, a journey.
But I'm starting to see things differently. My perspective is shifting.
How exactly is it shifting for you?
Maybe my quiet pace is exactly where I need to be. It's not a race.
And what does that realization mean for your everyday?
It means I can breathe and trust my own timing, my own rhythm.
Trusting your own timing is key to genuine progress.
It feels like a heavy burden has been lifted from my shoulders.
That's the feeling of emotional liberation, Emily,
Liberation from constantly comparing myself.
and embracing your unique, valuable path.
So, my slow isn't a flaw. It's actually my strength.
It's your wisdom, remember? The craftsman's touch.
Yes, the careful craftsman, the deep, thoughtful learner.
Exactly. A solid foundation always takes time and care.
So, I'm building something strong and meaningful.
Something truly lasting, not just quickly assembled.
And this applies to my English learning too, right?
Absolutely. Especially in how you approach new concepts.
Not rushing, but understanding deeply.
Precisely. That's how real mastery happens.
I feel like I found my own lane now.
You have. and it's a beautiful lane to be in.
Thank you, Paul, for helping me see this.
My pleasure, Emily. It's a powerful realization.
It really is a huge shift.
Embrace that pace, Emily. It's uniquely yours.
Uniquely mine. It feels good to say that.
It should. This isn't a race with a shared finish line.
And I've been so focused on everyone else's race.
Which brings us to a crucial question.
What's that, Paul?
What are you, Emily, truly missing in your life?
Because I'm too busy looking at others.
Exactly. What small joys, what quiet moments,
The behind the scenes of my own life.
the good stuff you're overlooking.
I was so caught up in comparison.
It's a common trap.
And it steals so much peace.
It really does. So, for everyone listening,
For us, too,
yes, take a moment with Emily and me.
to ask that question
What are you missing right now?
in your own unique journey.
Because you're too busy looking sideways?
The things that truly matter.
Your own inherent value,
My own pace, my own progress.
your own wisdom in taking a steady path.
Instead of sprinting.
Precisely. That's where genuine peace lies.
Peace. I really need more of that.
It starts with recognizing your own lane.
And running my own race.
Exactly. And embracing it.
It's not about being slow.
It's about being deliberate.
Building something lasting.
Something truly your own.
Thank you, Paul, for this perspective.
It's a gift to yourself, Emily,
A gift of peace.
and self-acceptance.
I'm ready to embrace it.